Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In our previous class, we learnt about the types of clauses, dependent clauses and independent clauses. We also learnt what the clause is. Now, in our today's lecture, we are going to learn about noun clauses. Well, we know that a normal noun functions in a sentence as the subject of a sentence, as the direct or indirect object, as a predicate noun, as the object of a preposition or an adjective complement. Now, what we are going to learn today is that how a clause can be used as a noun. Well, same as the normal noun would play its role in a sentence. If the clause, which has at least a subject and a predicate, is used as a subject, then we can say it's a noun clause. If the whole clause is used as object, either a direct or indirect object, it is also a noun clause. And if that complete clause is used as a predicate noun, as the object of a preposition or an adjective complement, then we can say that dependent clause is used as a noun clause in a sentence. Now, let's look at the example how a dependent clause can be used as a subject and why we call it a noun clause. Wherever we decide to go is fine with me. Now we know that subject always comes before a verb. Wherever we decide to go, we is subject, decide to go is the predicate, and this whole clause has come before the linking verb is. So wherever we decide to go is a dependent clause which has been used as a subject in this sentence. Then we can say that it's a noun clause. Wherever we decide to go is the subject of the linking verb is. And we know that subject is always followed by a verb. Let's see in sentence number 2 how a noun clause has been used as the direct object. We know that direct object always comes soon after the main verb in a sentence. I want to see what is available before I make a purchase. What is available is the direct object of the verb see. I want to see what I want to see. We need an object. Now here it says that I want to see what is available. So what is available has come soon after the main verb see. In this sense we can say what is available is the object, and we know that object in a sentence is a noun. So what is available is a noun clause. Indirect object. How a noun clause can be used as an indirect object in a sentence. I will send whoever is responsible. Now send is a verb. Whoever is responsible is the indirect object. A strongly worded letter is the direct object, because what is sent in this sentence? A strongly worded letter is sent. So what receives the direct action from the verb send is a strongly worded letter. Whoever is responsible is the indirect object of the verb send, and a strongly worded letter is the direct object. So whoever is responsible is the noun clause because it has been used as the indirect object of a sentence. How a noun clause can be used as a predicate noun. We know that subject comes before the verb and object comes after the verb, and likewise a predicate noun always comes after the verb in a sentence. The thing I wish for most is that people would all just get along. Now you can see the letter part in bold letters, that is the dependent clause. Here it has been used as the noun clause because it's a predicate and it has come after the linking verb is. So predicate or object comes after the noun, and as it is not a part of sentence that direct receives an action, so because it has a verb that is linking, that is that people would all just get along is the predicate noun of the linking verb is, renaming the subject the thing I wish for. So that people would all just get along is the dependent clause, and in this sentence it has been used as a predicate noun, so we can say it's a noun clause. Object of a preposition, that is the man to whom I owe my life. Now, before whom we can see there is a preposition to. So, here, whom I owe my life is a clause, that's a dependent clause, but as it has come after the preposition to, so it has become the object of preposition to. In this case, we can say, whom I owe my life is a noun clause. Whom I owe my life is the object of the preposition to, acting as an adjective to describe the noun man. Adjective complement. A noun clause can also be used as adjective complement in a sentence. I'm thrilled. Thrilled is the third form of verb, and here third form of verb means the past participle is used as an adjective in a sentence, and after the thrilled adjective, that you are coming to visit is a dependent clause, and as it has come after the adjective, so it is said to be complement of the adjective thrilled. So, dear students, we have understood how a noun clause function in a sentence. Noun clause, uh, other symbol that I want to let you know, that how can you understand that this is a noun clause. It is used as a subject, it is used as object, it is used as adjective complement, as object of preposition, and it always starts with WH words. For example, whenever, wherever, whatever, whoever, who is responsible. So it starts with WH question, and in some cases it also starts with that, as we have seen in this sentence. The thing I wish for most is that people would all just get along. So a noun clause is used as subject, as object, both a direct and an indirect, and it is used as a predicate, object of a preposition, adjective complement, and I have told you that WH questions starts the noun clause, and in some sentences the noun clause starts with that as well. So in previous class, dear students, we learned about dependent and independent clauses. In our today's class, we have learned about noun clauses. Hope you would have understood, and if you really have understood, then don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon and share this informative lecture with other your students, your friends. Thank you very much.